Hello students, welcome to 10th session of Quantitative Techniques second. So here we are solving Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Again we are taking a problem under group data. Here's a problem, a survey regarding the income and savings of 100 teachers in a city which revealed the following informations. Calculate correlation between income and savings. They are given the information here, the income information, and they are given savings information and the frequencies to the respective group. 20,000 rupees saved with the income group of 25,000 rupees. So is 20 members. 21,000 rupees savings, income group 30,000 is 2. 21,000 rupees savings, income group 35,000 rupees is, so like that they have given a frequency table. After this, for a solution we need to start with the table for correlation coefficient. So for this table I'll just switch to Excel sheet. The same problem I copied here. They have given incomes and savings. I'll consider the savings as my x variables and income as my y variable and copy. So after this a variable, the first thing that we need to decide. After this variable, the second thing that we need to copy the class intervals if they are given. They are not given class intervals, direct informations they are given. So I will copy the values here. So it is X series value I have copied and here Y series value I have copied. After this, of course, as usual, we need to calculate dx dy. So as far as dx, so I should consider any one number from the x series as my assumed mean. I'll consider this 20,000 as my assumed mean. So if it is the assumed mean, then dx formula is x minus a divided by c. So here x value is 18,000 minus a value 20,000 and c value is 90,000, 19,000 minus 18,000. So the difference is 1,000. 18,000 minus 20,000, it's minus 2,000 divided by c value 1,000. So 2,000 divided by 1,000 is minus 2. And here 19,000 x minus a 20,000, so it's minus 1,000 divided by c value 1,000, so it's again minus 1. So here the value is 0. 21,000 minus 20,000, x minus a is 1,000 divided by c 1,000, so the value is 1 and here it is 2. Again, in the same manner, I need to find the values, dy values for the y variable. So here again, I'll consider this 30,000 as my assumed mean. So our formula is x minus a divided by c. So here you can find the c value. 25,000 minus 20,000. So the c value is 5,000. 30,000 minus 25,000. The c value is 5,000. So here x is 20,000 minus 30,000. So difference is minus 5,000 divided by 5,000. So here it is minus 1. So it is x value 20,000 minus a value 30,000. So the difference is minus 10,000 divided by c 5,000. So it is minus 2. I repeat, I'll write the formula here. X minus a divided by c. So here x value is 25,000 minus a 30,000 divided by c. So how to calculate C or class intervals here? So here, difference between the two observations, 30,000 minus 25,000. So x minus a, 25,000 minus 30,000, so it's minus 5,000 divided by 5,000, so it is minus 1. 30,000 minus 30,000, 0 divided by 5,000 is 0. 35,000 minus 30,000, 5,000 divided by 5,000 is 1, and here it is. So we have calculated dx dy. So after this, we need to copy the frequencies. So I'll copy the frequencies here. So after copying frequencies, we need to consider the total values. And this total is considered as F. So I'll take the total. For the first column, total is 8. For the second column, 12 plus 4, 16 plus 9, 25. And here 20 plus 7, 27 plus 5. So it is 32. And here 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. And here 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. Again, we need to do the same thing for y variable. So I'll write here total. Again, we are going to consider this as F. Frequencies for y series. So for the first column, 8 plus 4 is 12. For the second column, 12 plus 20, 32 plus 4, 36 plus 2, 38. No? 9 plus 7, 16 plus 2, 18 plus 3, 21. And here 5 plus 4, 9 plus 6, 25. And here 9 plus 5, it should be 14. And the total, it should be 100. Because they have specified in the problem, they have total 100 teachers observation, so it should be equals to 100. You can check the total of these frequencies, the total of x series and total of y series. So after finding the f values, we need to find f into dx. So here we have f values and here we have dx values. So these two columns should be multiplied. So here for the first column, f value is 8 and dx value is minus 2. So 8 and minus 2. So it is 8 into minus 2 is minus 16. 8 into minus 2, so it is minus. That is minus 16. Then 25 into minus 1, so it is minus 25. 32 into 0 is 0. 19 into 1, 19. And 16 into 2 is 32. So after this, so after f into dx, so we need to find f into dx square. So as far as f into dx square, so dx values are here. We need to consider dx square values. So minus 2 square is 4. 4 into f value 8. So it is 8 into 4 is 30. And next one here, minus 1 square is 1. Dx value is minus 1. So minus 1 square is 1. 1 into 25, it is 25. 0 square is 0. 0 into 32 is 0. 1 square is 1. Into 19 is 19. 2 square is 4. 4 into 16 is 60. After this, so we'll find f into dy. Here f values are here and dy values are here. We need to multiply these two columns. So 12 into minus 2. So it is 24. And plus into minus, so it is minus 24. Then next one 38 into minus 1, so it is minus 38. And here 21 into 0, so it is 0. Then 25 into 1, so it is 25. Then 14 into 2 is 28. So we have calculated f into dy. After this, so we need to calculate f into dy squared. For this, we need to take dy square values. So it's minus 2. Minus 2 square is 4. 4 into 12. So 4 into 12 is 48. Then minus 1 square. That means 1. 1 into 38, it's 38. Then 0 square is 0 into 21 is 0. Then 1 square is 1 into 25, it's 25. 2 square is 4, 4 into 14. So it is 50. So we have calculated f into dx, f into dx squared, and f into dy, and f into dy squared. So after this, so we need to find out f dx dy, f into dx into dy. Right? So you can write f into dx into dy. Again, we need to find out here f into dy into dx. So for this, so we should start from here. So for f into dx into dy, we need to calculate the values for all the cells in the frequency. So as far as the frequencies that we have copied here from the problem. So for all these series, we need to calculate f into dx into dy. So I'll start from the first cell. So here f value is 8 into dx value is minus 2 and dy value is minus 2. So minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. 4 into 8. So it is 32. And then for this f value is 4 and dy value is minus 2 and dx value is 1. So it is 2 into 1, 1, minus into minus plus. So 2 into 4 is 8. And then for this column, so if we don't have any frequencies for any cell, then there is no need to calculate f dx dy. So even if we calculated, so frequency is 0 into dx value 0 into dy value is minus 2. 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into minus 2 is again 0. So for that reason, no need to calculate f into dx into dy for these cells which is not having any frequency. ನಮಗೆ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ f dx dy ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. So here I consider 12 is our frequency f, dx is minus 1 and dy is also minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1 into 12. So here it is 12. Here 0 dx value and dy value is minus 1. So 20 into 0, 0. 0 into minus 1, 0. Here 4 into 1, 4. into -1, so it is -4. Here 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into -1, again -4. Then 9 into -1, -9 into 0, it's 0. Here 7 into 0, 0, again 0 into 0, 0. Here 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 0, 0. 3 into 2 into 0, 0. Here 5 into 0 into 1, it's 0. Here 4 into 1 into 1. So here it is 4. Then 6 into 2 into 1, it's 12. And here 9 into 1 into 2, so 8. Here 5 into 2 into 2, it's 20. I hope you understood the calculation of f into dx into dy. So here we need to calculate this f dx dy for all the cells which is having frequency. So no need to calculate the f dx dy values. So if the cells don't have frequency number. So if the cells are having frequency means, so we need to calculate f dx dy. So after calculating f dx dy for the individual cells, we need to take the total. So here we have only one value, that is 32. And here 8 plus 12, it is 20. Here all the cells are 0. Here -4 plus 4, 0, and plus 18, it's 8. -4 plus 12 plus 20. So it is 20. After this, we need to take the total row wise. 32 plus 8 is 40. Then 12 plus 0 plus -4 and plus -4. So it is 4. Then all the rows are 0, so it's 0. Then here 4 plus 12, and here 20 plus 18 is 30. So after this, we need to take the totals. So here, summation of f into dx, that means -16 plus -25 plus 19 plus 32. So the summation is 10. And here 32 plus 25 plus 19 plus 64, it's 140. And here the total 32 plus 20 plus 0 plus 18 plus 28 is 90. And here the summation of dy, so -24 minus 38, 0, so the total of f into dy, so it is uh, minus 90. And here f into dy square, it is 157. Last summation f dx dy values is 90. F dx dy and f dy dx values are same, and total of this frequencies. Hope you understood the preparation of this table. After this, I'll copy the values and I'll paste my solution. So we have prepared the table for our Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. After this, I need to apply the values to formula. So here we know that the formula for Pearson's coefficient of correlation for grouped data. After this, we need to apply the values. So n value, that is the total of frequencies. So n value is 100, n into summation f dx dy. So here summation f dx dy value, that is 98. Summation f dx dy or summation f dy dx, one and the same, that is 98, minus summation f dx, so summation f into dx value, that's 10. We have record summation f dy values, so here it is minus 19, so here it is minus 19 we have record. So these things that we can interchange, no issues. Whole divided by n is 100, summation f dx square. So summation f dx square is 157, and minus summation f dx whole square. So f dx whole square is minus summation f dx value is minus 19, so whole square. So minus 19 square. Then 100 into summation f dy square is 140 minus f dy is 10 whole square. So we can interchange the values of x and y. So here we have taken the values of x as income. So it is f dx and f dx square and f dx dy, and here it is f dy square and f dy dx value. So no issues. R value finally comes to 0.68195. So I leave the remaining steps simplification of these values. So R value is 0.681959, so which indicates the value of Pearson coefficient of correlation, or is 0.681959, indicates positive correlation between savings and income. The positive correlation indicates changes in saving leads to changes in income, or changes in income leads to changes in savings. In the same direction, but not in the exact percentage. For example, the income, if we have given a promotion to employees and if we increase the salary of employees by 10%, but we cannot expect the same 10 percentage increase in savings. But there will be an increase, but not exactly the same percentage. Coefficient of determination or square values or into or the value is 0.465068 into 100, that means 46.50% changes in between savings and income. So hope you understood uh, the solution. So it's the previous day assignment. So I updated the table and updated the frequencies. So kindly write down the current uh, session as well as do this assignment. Hope you understood the present session. Take care and happy learning. Thank you for watching.